People around us. Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the different types of people and the roles they play in our lives and our communities. From friends and neighbors to co-workers and strangers, let's explore the people around us in Spanish. The word for people is gente. The word for person is persona. The word for boy is niño. The word for girl is niña. The word for man is hombre. The word for woman is mujer. The word for Mr. is señor. The word for Mrs. or ma'am is señora. The word for miss or young lady is señorita. The word for neighbor is vecino or vecina. The word for friend is amigo or amiga. The word for enemy is enemigo or enemiga. The word for co-worker is compañero or compañera de trabajo. The word for classmate is compañero or compañera de clase. The word for stranger is desconocido or desconocida. The word for boss is jefe or jefa. The word for employee is empleado or empleada. The word for customer or client is cliente. La gente está feliz. The people are happy. La persona está estudiando. The person is studying. La señorita come frutas. The young lady eats fruit, or the young lady is eating fruit. La señora camina en el parque. The woman walks at the park. In Spanish, señor, señora, and señorita are nouns. You can use them with a name, Señor Gómez, or by themselves, el señor come, the man eats. In English, Mr., Mrs., and Miss are titles or honorifics, not regular nouns. They are used only with names, like Mr. Smith. You can't say, the Mr. eats. It sounds strange or incorrect. So instead, we say, the man eats. Mi vecina es de Panamá. My neighbor is from Panama. Tu amigo es alto. Your friend is tall. Nuestro compañero de clase está durmiendo. Our classmate is sleeping. Él es un desconocido. He is a stranger. El jefe de Ana está enojado. Anna's boss is angry. Ellos son clientes. They are customers. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on people around us. In this lesson, you learned how to talk about different types of people and the roles they play in our lives and communities, from classmates and co-workers to neighbors, strangers, and more. Don't forget to review the written material, practice the vocabulary, and try using these new words in sentences of your own. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Thanks for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.